Hey guys, Dean here with ASAP Housing Group. Just want to show you through 1107 Evanston Square here. This is one of our properties that is coming up for rent to own. I'll take you in here, show you around. Got a really nice open room here. I'll try not to spin it too fast on you. Nice open area as soon as you walk in. The really nice thing about this is look at how the huge windows, the vaulted ceiling. Second nice thing though is that this is only one of two doors, which you don't normally get in a townhouse. So if you come with me right here, come down here, and we've got where your visitor parking is, as well as where your single attached garage is. We've got all real tile. It's all real tile through here. Come down with me here. We've got some storage, or it could be an office. Nice little room here. And then we have a ton of storage under here. And it goes all the way to the back. So if you're somebody that has a lot of stuff, this is the right place for you. So we'll come back up here. All nice wood banisters. More tile flooring. Look at this nice tile flooring. Got hardwood down there, if you can see that. Ooh. All real hardwood. Got a nice little half bath in here. For your guests, or for you, I guess. And then check out this kitchen. Look at the size of this island. You want to talk about entertaining and having people over. You've got an island here with the eating bar. And then over here, you've got places to sit, your kitchen table. And you got a nice little pedestal as well there. So really, really nice kitchen. Really airy, tons of natural light. You got natural light there, you got natural light here. Just a really nice place. Come out here, we've got top of the line Samsung washer and dryer. Very, very nice. And then out here, we have just a little spot here, but you have a gas line. So, perfect for entertaining. Now we'll go up to the two master bedrooms. Nice wall sconce. So we've got a linen closet in here. Huge. Look at the size of that thing. And then, depending on what you want, this first bedroom here, this gives you a little bit more room, a little bit less closet. So if you're a closet person, you want the other one, but you've got closet space there and closet space here. And then of course you've got your bathroom, full bath with a tub and shower. And then we'll go on over here. Here's the other master. So again, this gives you your full bath. Little bit smaller room, but still ample size. But look at the size of this closet. Holy cow. So this is 1107 Evanston Square. It's available for rent to own. Looking for somebody that wants to be a homeowner of this beautiful, beautiful townhouse. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.